Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing? Well, today we got another one of those wonderful little holiday packs that I was able to find at my local Walmart. I've been looking at, how should we say, a knife from Smith & Wesson for a while. It was kind of on the to-buy list, but not really hot and heavy to go get it, because I'll be honest, when I think Smith & Wesson, I don't think knives, I think firearms. But anywho, stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to show you what came in that box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for those of you who haven't done it yet, please go ahead and just check right down here. You should be seeing a channel watermark sitting down there. Hover over that and just nail subscribe. It's going to make me all kinds of happy. That would be a good thing, right? Now, with that being said, yeah, like I said in the opening, I don't think of Smith & Wesson and knives at all. I think of them as firearms, period. That's the only way I've ever thought of Smith & Wesson. I saw something surfing through Amazon a while ago, and I went, okay, put it on, you know, the list. Never bought it. It was about 24 bucks. Well, this little pack right here, for two, was $20 at Walmart. I figured, okay, what the hell. There's the wonderful stats on them. Alright, we're going to go over these again in just a second. So, let's start with, as they call it, the Extreme Ops folder. Well, that's this guy right here. Alright? Nothing about it looks extreme to me. Nothing about it screams out, you know, special ops or anything along those lines. I mean, seriously, what do you expect for a $10 knife, right? So, here's the stats on it. It's got an overall length of about 7 1/4 inches. The blade is about 3 1/2 enclosed. It's a little under 4 1/4. It's got a minor weight of about 3.5 ounces. The steel, well, it's just 7CR 17 MOV. And they call it high carbon stainless steel. Okay. It's got basically an aluminum handle. And as you can see, it's just all the way right through. So it's not like there's scales on here at all. You do have the dual thumb studs to open it. It does have a liner lock. I guess you could call that a lanyard hole. You know? Opens pretty much okay. It's got a bit of jimping back here. And it does have a one position pocket clip. Which means you got to carry this boy tip down. No biggie, right? So, here's the other one that came in the pack. They call this one their assisted opening folder. It opens pretty smooth. Okay. Now, it's got an overall length of about 8 inches. The blade's about 3 3/4. Enclosed, it's about 4 1/4. Now, it does have a bit more weight to it at 5.5 ounces. The steel on here actually surprised me. 8CR 13 MOV, high carbon stainless steel. So you've got one that's 7CR and one that's 8CR. Okay. The blade itself has that black oxide blade coating, you know, to help prevent with rust and corrosion and all that wonderful resistance stuff. It does have a rubberized aluminum handle, as you can see right there. But to be honest, it doesn't really have that rubbery feel to it at all. It's got more of, seriously, like a really hard plastic feel. Right? It does have liner lock, as you can see. And honestly, flips open pretty dang good. One position pocket clip, tip down. And no lanyard hole on this guy. A little bit of forward jimping there, but it's not really noticeable, to be honest with you. I would have liked to see it more pronounced up front, but that's just me. Now, guys, honestly, I'm not going to do a cut test with these guys because I bought this just to bring it to the channel, saying, hey, here's another holiday pack that's out there, and I'm not impressed with it. I'm not impressed with their blades. Okay, they just seem to fit weird in a hand. I don't like the feel of them, either one, to be honest. I don't. This to me seems like something I would literally get out of a truck stop. You know, and paying $5 for it would be, oh, well, I think I paid too much. Seriously, this to me seems like an overpriced M-Tech knife. Yeah, I believe that's the ones that make those really, really cheap, you know, $5 knives that everyone's all the rage about because, God, they look so cool. But anywho, guys, we're going to skip some of the usual stuff. I want to know what you guys think, man. Leave me your questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever, down below. I want to know all of it, man. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, you pick kind of a weird one to start with. You know, it is the holiday season, and, well, these ones are making their rounds around stores, and people are going to buy them for gifts. So at least you can say, you saw it here first. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel that haven't done it yet, here is your second chance. Right down there, there's going to be a huge channel watermark, for lack of a better phrase. Go ahead and click on that, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've clicked on subscribe, go ahead and destroy the like icon, I should say the bell icon that's right next to it. Like, God, I need soda. That's going to notify you every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My really, really quick look at the Smith & Wesson 2018 Holiday Pack. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great one.